afternoon. My name is Augustine Ezurin. I'm here to create my Ec2 instance. I start by logging into my AWS with my free tier account. Then I launch a VM instance. I click on launch instance. Okay. On the instance, I create the instance name. In this place, I give it Austin 10. Yes. I go ahead to configure the entire instance. I select Amazon as my machine image. I go ahead, I select my instance type to be T2 micro. I create my key pair. My key pair, I call it key 10. Yes. The network settings, my network settings are in default. I allow them to be. Then I allow SSH traffic from anywhere. I allow HTTPS, I allow HTTP, though the HTTPS can be optional. Then we configure the storage. I allow the default storage of 8 gig. I click on launch instance. My instance is creating. The instance is launching. Successfully launched. I click on connect to instance. At this point, I want to configure the security group. I come to security group under security, under network and security. Under network and security. Yeah. I create security group. Give it a name. You can call it Austin server, Austin 10 server. Allow SSH to developers. I set my inbound rules. First being my SSH, which is on default port 22. Then my HTTP, which is on default port 80. The source being anywhere. Then the last HTTPS, default port 443. Okay, then I come to the outbound rule, all traffic selected to anywhere. Then I create the security group. My security group name is already taken. It's not, I change it, 11 server. Okay. I go on and create a security group again. Okay, successfully created. At this point, I have to connect to my Ec2 instance. Click on instances. The instance is loading. Austin 10. I click on connect. Connect. Okay. It's establishing connection. Okay. Okay, my instance is, I want to test if my server is running. I can just write dates to see if it will give me the correct date. Yes, the date is correct. And equally try cal. Yes, the calendar is working. It shows that my instance is functional. At this point, I will install a web server. To install a web server, I use the command sudo yum updates y just copy it. I have it saved already in my notepad. I copy, I paste, click on enter. Okay, the web server is installing. Installation is ongoing, it's completed. Once that is done, I have created my web server. This time I want to configure my static blog page. And to do that, I have to create a simple HTML page by running this command, sudo nano. It's already on my notepad. I bring it here. I paste, click enter. Okay, it opens me to where I can configure my HTML page. I have my HTML page already in a notepad. I just copy, bring it over here, and paste. Okay, I click Control S to save, Y. Okay, it exists. At this point, my installation is completed. What I'll have to do is to go to a browser. I'll go to a browser to test with my public IP address. And my public IP address here is already captured on my instance. Is strip. I copy it out, copy it, come over here, open a page. Let me open a fresh page. HTTP. I paste, click enter. Welcome to my motivational blog. Thank you. It is a success. Yeah. I have to end the recording, end meeting.